Split AC versus window AC, installation showdown. Split AC versus window AC, installation showdown. The first hurdle in the split AC versus window AC race is installation. Split ACs, two-part systems with an outdoor compressor and an indoor air handler, require a professional touch. Window ACs, on the other hand, are generally single units that slide into a window or wall opening, making them easier and faster for you to set up yourself. Cost considerations: the long game of split versus window ACs. Window ACs might win the initial cost battle. They are typically more affordable upfront compared to split AC systems. But remember, split ACs can be more energy efficient in the long run. While the initial investment might be higher, the potential savings on electricity bills over time can be significant. Energy efficiency: the green choice with split ACs. Want to minimize your environmental impact and keep your electricity costs down? Split ACs are generally more energy efficient than window ACs. This translates to lower electricity bills over time, making them a greener choice for your wallet and the planet. Cooling powerhouse: split ACs conquer large spaces. When it comes to cooling power, split ACs reign supreme. They are typically more powerful than window ACs, making them ideal for effectively cooling larger areas. Additionally, some split ACs offer the flexibility to cool multiple rooms or zones with additional indoor units. Imagine cooling your entire house with just one system. Peace and quiet: the whisper quiet advantage of split ACs. If noise is a major concern, then split ACs are the clear winner. Since the compressor, the noisiest part of an AC, is located outside in a split system, these units operate much quieter than window ACs. Enjoy a cool and peaceful environment without the constant hum of an air conditioner. Aesthetics: blending in versus blocking the view. Split ACs generally have a sleeker design that blends in better with your decor. Window ACs, on the other hand, can be quite obtrusive. They take up valuable window space and block natural light, potentially making your room feel smaller and less inviting. Maintenance matchup: DIY versus cooling in the pros. Both split and window ACs require regular maintenance to function optimally. However, split ACs often need professional servicing for tasks like checking refrigerant levels and ensuring proper airflow. Window ACs are typically easier to clean and maintain yourself, with tasks like cleaning filters being manageable for most users. The longevity factor: split ACs for long-term cooling. With proper care, split ACs can boast a longer lifespan, averaging 15 to 20 years, compared to window ACs, which typically last 8 to 12 years. So, while a split AC might require a higher initial investment, it can be a more cost-effective choice in the long run, thanks to its efficiency and durability. The final verdict: choosing the AC champion for you. Before you crown a winner, consider your specific needs. How big is the space you want to cool? What's your budget? How comfortable are you with installation tasks? Do you prioritize energy efficiency and quiet operation? By factoring in these points, along with expert reviews and consumer ratings, you can choose the AC system that cools your space perfectly and complements your lifestyle.